Hey there! Okay, sad brows are not okay. Let's make them good. Get your spoolie brush. Always groom them up and over to get the best look and to complement your natural arch of your brows. Okay, now we've got our brow pencil. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Self sharpens. Yippee! Don't have to worry about that. Here's the tip on how your brows should line up. Always outline the outer parts of your brows. Again, to go with the natural arch and the natural shape of your brow, you don't want to have Sharpie brows. So under and over with light strokes. What a difference already, right? Then you want to go in with light feather strokes just to fill in the rest. Not heavy, light feather strokes. What a difference. Look at the comparison. Sad, happy. Yay. Now let's do the other side. Always got to brush that out just to make sure that it's blended. Now we'll do the other side. Start on the inner, again under and over. Carry that through to where your arch is and then bring that down. Bada bing, bada boom. Light hand, right? Okay, now those feather strokes again. Nothing heavy. Oh yeah. And take that spoolie, blend it out so there aren't any harsh lines and it looks natural. Ooh la la.